Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to open your Wise bank account. So the first step is to simply go to wise.com and then you're gonna have to choose between personal and business. Now on personal you're gonna have some limits in terms of how much you can send, how much you can receive. So if you know that you're gonna receive money, a lot of money, I suggest you to choose business and then click on create account, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your work email address or your business email address. So that the Gmail one won't work. I don't know for the iCloud or the Outlook one, but you can try. And you can also, and I suggest you to buy your own email, so with a custom domain. So after you enter your email, you're gonna have to simply enter some personal information and then simply verify your account. Now, if you want to go with personal, you're gonna have to simply click on open an account and do the same process. So basically, that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.